Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Renee Roden. If you have not already, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time when I post a new video. So today we're going to get right into this beautiful finger coil that I did just a few hours ago. Our hair is already completely dried. Look at the tightness of these curls. Look how they are perfectly laid in one direction. Look how gorgeous and bouncy they are and playful the curls are. Girl, we are ready to leave the house and have a damn good time, okay? So if you want to see how we get this completed finished look, please go ahead and stay tuned and let's get straight into it. We are starting this style on freshly washed hair to achieve the best results. I have my hair split into a left and right side. The first product I'm using is the ORS Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Honey Curly Coily Ridge Style Creme. This product is extremely moisturizing, which is perfect for this style and the weather. I smoothed the product all over the entire section. And then going in with this product from back in the day, Luster's S-Curl Activator and Moisturizer. This is my all-time favorite. Funny story, my dad and grandfather used it because they had jerry curls. Comment below if you're using this product because of an older family member. You truly don't need to use the ORS Creme because this S-Curl is super moisturizing. It just never hurts to have more moisture. I'm spraying the hair with water to make it damp, and I am using the wet brush comb to disperse the product while detangling my hair. Now I'm splitting the right section into a top and bottom half and clipping the top away. Like all of my other styles, I'm starting with the back and working my way to the front. Our last product is the Eco Style Gel in olive oil. I'm going to demonstrate step by step how I create a finger coil. I coat a small section with gel and then grab the section firmly with the thumb, pointer, and middle finger and twist the hair in the direction which it curls up the best. Then begin to start wrapping the hair around the base of my four fingers, keeping it close on the hand so it can rotate around without getting tangled. Continue to do this motion until the hair gets nice and tightly coiled. You'll feel yourself naturally get to the end. Now back to styling. I am applying a good amount of gel to the palm of my left hand and holding the extra hair with that hand. I'm using my right hand and tapping a small amount of gel to coil our first piece. Grab it at the root and do so a couple of times to coat and smooth the strand. Wrap it around your finger or fingers until you reach the end and it's tightly coiled. This style is great for training your hair to curl, especially if you have heat damage or some type of chemical damage done to your hair. You want your hair to be really damp for this style to have the best coils, so grab a towel to dry your face. For this last top section, I am coating it with gel. This is one of the cutest and most simple styles. It can just be a little time consuming. It usually takes me 1 hour per side. To combat the long styling time, I decided to get creative and stop wasting my time holding the undone hair, and I put that hand to use by doing 2 coils at the same time. Make sure to hold the sections tight at the root and coil both hands in the same direction. From your perspective, both of my hands are turning clockwise. It takes a couple tries to get into the rhythm. It took me 30 minutes to do the other side. Here's a clip from a previous video I filmed doing finger coils without the RRS Creme. The hair was more lightweight and dried quicker, but the style lasted a lot longer with the Creme applied. I was really surprised how it had turned it out. I'm taking my bonnet off, and here is my hair completely dried.
You know, I just saw myself in the mirror. This looks so good. This is literally our hair the next day. Let me find that middle part. Yes, child. This looks so good. I actually didn't expect it to look this good because the last time I did it when my hair was super crusty and dyed, it didn't work. But hello. I am now putting in the African Pride Moisture Miracle. This has castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. Strengthens and protects and has 5 essential oils with vitamin E. And I'm just going to go through the hair lightly and just oil the scalp. And that's really it. That's all we're doing, girl. Making sure that our scalp is well oiled, it's not dry and itchy, especially that this cold season's coming up. After Storm Ian hit, it was like cold the very next day when it passed. So like it was, I think it was 60 degrees. It felt really nice. It was great. I'm just massaging that in to the scalp. Honestly, if you flip your hair upside down, it will help the blood circulation also. So let's flip, baby. All right, so this is after we've rubbed all of that nice oil in. You can pick your hair and fluff it out to give it a bigger, bolder look. You can also use your diffuser and fluff the hair if you'd like, or you could have used your diffuser instead of air drying like I did. I want to keep my hair as heatless as possible throughout the year. If I don't need to put heat on it, I don't put heat on it. So I just leave my hair like this. You could pick it out, but I don't want any teasing to my hair. Teasing also causes breakage, though it is cute and fluffy. It's not necessary. Just leave it in its natural state. And this is so beautiful. I'm absolutely happy with how it turned out. I hope the back looks good, y'all. Be honest with me. Alright, so go ahead, comment below what your favorite products are to finger coil your hair and how often do you finger coil, and what are your favorite protective styles. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.